Welcome to our second walking tour through the amazing historical center of Palermo. Palermo is really nice and peaceful in the morning after intensive nightlife, and you can see on our channel a special video about nightlife in Palermo. Here you could see Teatro Massimo and Via Maqueda is long walking street, main pedestrian street in Palermo, and here you can see tourists that are coming slowly into Palermo. They usually stay in Palermo for 1 or 2 days, but some of them, if they fall in love with this city, stay a little more, and as you heard, some of them stay forever. This street is very relaxed in the morning. There are shops, so it's very good for the shopping and just to enjoy, just to take a walk or to sit and take a coffee. We came from Serbia, from Belgrade, and uh, even when we came to Belgrade after this amazing trip to Venice, to Sicily, we realized how relaxed was the atmosphere in Palermo. So I strongly recommend you to visit Palermo, and if you consider our visit to Sicily, I think the best thing is to stay, if you want to stay more days in one place, it would be Palermo in September. In that case, you will have amazing city with everything you need, and this city also have a Mondello, wonderful beach, which is amazing exactly in September. Enjoy in this walk through capital of Sicily, Palermo.
Kako ne? No, ovo je veći Palermo, pa Palermo ima par stotina hiljada stanovnika. 70.000. Znači je kao Hanja. A mislim da Split nema više od 300.000. Ja mislim da ima bar 500.000, ne znam. Treba vidimo još jednom. Mislim da je dosta veliki grad. Pa i Padova je dobila konkurenciju.
Da, apsolutno. mnogo lepa atmosfera nekako je. Prijatno.